I'm here. Let's get started. So, yesterday, stream, I did more work on the chisel. I believe it should be working. I hope. Let's try. Let's test it out. Here we go. Great. Need to do a few more things first. Congrats on haircut. Haircut gang. Where did I put it? Where did I put it? Right there. Nice. Congrats, Jay. Chisel. Hey. Just marking my code before I forget what it all does. Now, I do need to go up here somewhere. Where's these for now? Okay, here we go. This is loud, isn't it? I'll turn that down a little bit. Okay. This needs to be an EXT. Yeah, we turn that down a little bit. Even a little bit more. That seems better. Okay, and X scale, always 1. Y scale is gonna be mark.hp divided by 5. And rotation is always gonna be 0. There. Oh, thank you, Jay.
Pretty much, yeah. Ads are playing? Where ads are playing? What more is there to say? Until the ads are done playing, this is what you get subjected to. Surely the ads are almost done, right? We're going back. We're going back. Surely the ads are done. Okay. That works. Next, I really need to add the fourth and final minigame. Which I'm now looking forward to. It's gonna be a bit of a pain in the butt. Hold on. Sorry gang, I'm simply not feeling the Mario Kart today. Hold while I find different music. This seems good. Yeah, this seems good. Thank you, Hijacker! It's shorter now. Pretty crazy. Chisel off. Now we need to do the unthinkable. We add case 3. And I am just gonna delete most of that. All of that. The only thing we're keeping is a single temporary variable change. Perfect. Okay, now how am I gonna set this up? Create. There's my marks. Okay. Okay. Idea. Hmm. Stupid idea, but idea. Let's change. Oh, first of all, I will need to change the game mode so I can actually see what I'm doing. And then draw. We will need to add one more case value. That should work. But, change points. That's it. Oh, and I don't think I actually need any of that. We do not need this to be transformed. Let's just see what it looks like first, before I get too much further. Okay. Yeah, that's looking pretty close to being right. Crazy idea here. Really crazy idea here. What if I make the anvil bigger? Alright, hold on. Right now, anvil's about that big on the screen? Get rid of that. What if I made it bigger? What if I make anvil take up much of screen, huh? No, but then the proportions are... No, I shouldn't be adding anything. No adding things, we only fix things. We only fix and finish. Not change or add. Yeah, I'm thinking I will do that, though. First of all. Saved. Next. Okay. What kind of variables are we working with already in the tool position? Let me grab a picture of it. Okay, so if mouse check button pressed, okay. Bum bum bum. If mouse check button and tool position dot mark greater than -1. If, hold on, var mx equals that, var my equals that. Okay. If mx is greater than aimx, then mx plus equals -1. Else if mx is less than aim.x, mx plus equals 1. We'll do the same thing for y. Wear hair. On head. Some gone. Some went away. That's just how it be. Oh shit. I did? Uh-oh. Is that why it's been so hard? Not because my brain is small, but because my hair is small? Uh-oh. Interesting. Nothing's happening. Oh, it's because of my... Ah! Hey! Hey! Blah, sorry. What do you mean, like, Hercules? Did Hercules have such a link between his power and his hair? I don't know. Who's Solomon? Like Solomon the White? Oh! No, you're right. You're right. There was a Bible story. Excuse me. Why no work? Tool is 3. It must have been Odysseus. Sorcules? Samson! That sounds right. Samson! Hold on. Oops. I didn't mean to make it go away, sorry. There. That's all I wanted to do. There. I'm like Samson now. Now, why this no work? Some of my marks do have HP of 2, okay. Debug message. Point grab. Or actually, point taken. Point taken. Get it? Here we go. Is it? No, I do have a point taken. Huh. Does it have to be like that? Let's try it. Oh, I see. Okay. Actually, let's do this smarter. Alright, let's do this smarter. Let's use lengthdir. And var direction equals point direction there we go. We'll do this. Alright, so now it should do that. You know? Samson's working overtime today. Oh, I can grab those too? That's not supposed to happen. Why no work? Oh God, hold on. Now we should be good. Thank you. I will try my best to keep up the good work, but some bad work might also get slipped in. Yeah, I would love to have playtesting happen ASAP, but as you might imagine, I can only work so fast. Okay, that's working. If we gotta do another for loop. I equals 0. Alright, don't forget to do this part. If mark equals if mark dot HP equals 1 and point distance oh shit, I did the wrong one. I just want that. Let's see. What was I doing? I was getting... y. Okay. If the point distance is less than 5. Equals mark.x mark.y HP plus equals 2 mark.hp plus equals 2 and break. Okay, maybe now it could. No, something terrible went wrong. What went wrong that is so terrible? Line 346. Ah, I forgot an equal sign. Typical pineapple. Alright. It didn't crash this time. That's a good start. Oh shit. Okay, I need to do a couple more things. Tool position dot mark equals -1. There we go, that one's done. That one's good. That one's good. Okay, I think I'll reduce the distance to something like 3. And then we do need to change... point distance. Okay. If length is greater than, we'll say 50, or let's just say 100. And tool position mark will equal 0. Oh, wait, almost forgot. Length is gonna equal max length 1.5. Then that's gonna be divided by something crazy like 20. I think. Actually, sorry. This is meant to be minimum. Let's try that and see what happens. It's a delicate art, the guessing game of coding variables. Why are you following me? Oh, so I'm setting it to 0 instead of -1. Apologies. Okay, cool. Oh, it's because I'm a fool! What do you know? Stick it in there like that. Ah! A fool I am. Okay, good. That's working as intended now. Great. Okay. How do I want to operate heat with this? Well, obviously... Okay, first of all... Oops. First of all, we have to add some punishments for doing this. Let's grab the chisel. Here we go. This is what I want. Ah, game.heat. Okay. Aim.x. Actually, yeah, aim.x. No. Gonna have to put this under that. Marks. Got it. Ooh. Come on. .x. There we go. .y. Got it. Y. Okay. Game.heat plus equals minus 5 divided by 100. Or let's say 3. Ah, where's my triangles? I need triangles. Sparks. Create. Okay. Now we go back. Oh, go back. Where did it go? Assets, no, Windows. I want to go back to this, please. Why are you way up here? Why is that one way down there? I don't care. Let's repeat this by 8. And do that. Okay. Now there should be funny little sparks when you do it good. We'll see. Yay! Oh. Good. Yay! Can clean those up. I think I'm gonna change it to do an extra 2 heat with that, and this will be 3 heat only. Yeah. Yeah! Sorry, I'm gonna move my mic in a slightly better position. I realize I might have been a little quieter than I'm supposed to be. Okay. That's done. Now let's create some scripts. Mark, create function pipe. Okay. Var mark equals array push marks. Count and type. Oh shit! Oh shit! I just dropped crumbs everywhere! I'll be back. What's up? I'm back. There was a crumb disaster. I resolved the crumb disaster. Ugh. Okay, back to this. Let's see. Let's get rid of that for now, actually. Okay, switch type. Case 0. Actually, here. R HP. Let's see. One, two, three. There we go. There we go. Oops. Shit. Fine. There we go. Hey. Repeat. Count. Okay, there we go. Actually, no, that's a terrible idea. We'll delete that fully. Okay, I still need to, make a couple. If reset equals false. Let's see. Let's see.
Alright, let's check some stuff. I need to check some stuff.
First of all, how big are you? You are just about, we'll say 115. Let's do 120. What about the fuckers? I don't have those on this sheet? What the hell am I doing? There we go. How wide are you? 66, we'll say 70 for you then. Uh, Grab this. 200. And these we'll say 80. Say 80 for these two, actually. Bar good equals true. What was it? Pineapple Nation. Thank you, Caitlin. Hold on, I gotta use my big brain. Good equals false while true. Thank you. I agree. It is a nice haircut. Okay. If good equals true, break. There. Theoretically, this will make it so that they can't be too close to each other, I hope. Maybe. We'll see. Where the fuck did my ingots go? What the fuck happened? Okay. Ah. These need to be permanent variables. Oh, ads are playing? Great. Ads are over! Yay! Thank you for letting me know. Okay. I think that's working then. Now I gotta actually work on drawing the tool properly. No, it's fine. I'm working better with my limited power, actually. Maybe I was too powerful before, and that's why I didn't work on Elnico. Okay, I need to draw... I need to draw the tongs. Let me close all these. First of all, grab all this. Exactly. The game couldn't handle my power. Let's see. If mouse check button there we go. Okay, I don't know what that's gonna look like. The only way to see is to Look at it. Okay, that's not bad, actually. I want to reverse it, but otherwise, that's looking pretty good. I also want to make that bottom center. I was not planning on it. No. For this one, this simply is better. $130, $130, remember the number, $130. Damn it. I think for these tongs, I might just do something a little different than I do for the normal tongs. First, I gotta find my tongs. There we go. 125. And then image, canvas size, width is gonna be 250, height's gonna be increased to 450. Okay. Nine degrees. Nine degrees. Okay, now I just need to, oh my gosh, you can't see what I'm doing! This is what I'm doing. Now I just need to redraw it so it's not all weird and fuzzy. The red layer is the new layer. I'm tracing over it because it looks gross and fuzzy. And now we make it black. And fill it in with white. Caitlin, I'll kill you. My mom is an old layer. Ah! There we go. Now we save it as tongues small strip 02. Okay, back to Game Maker. Bum bum. There we go. Ah! Actually, I think Hold on. Image canvas size 260. Okay. That looks a little better. I just need to fix the centering on that now. Okay, good enough. Let's go back. Where the hell? Okay. Tongs go tong tong now, maybe? Ugh. Yawn. Let's see. Okay, good. Okay, that's too big of a girth, though. I need to shrink that to like 20. Something way smaller. And then... Okay. Point direction. There. Let's see how bad that looks. It might look really bad. Or it might work first try. Well, first of all, I did get that wrong. Ugh. Where's my rotation? 90 plus. Let's try that. Some of the numbers will be better now. Perfect. Okay, that's the opposite of the direction that I wanted to go in. Also, this should be aim. And that's going to be negative 90. And then I need to draw something else too. Draw. Shit. Do I have to draw a new fucking thing for this? Probably. Here we go. What fucking layer are these on? I knew it. Okay, and now we just need to draw... Let's just use the triangle tool, actually. There we go. Then you should, babe. Get your hair trimmed. Save as. iDrag. Okay. Let's upload that to our sprites. Then there we go. 9 slice. Good. Good. Perfecto. Okay. Now we gotta figure out how to draw that sprite properly. Okay, X scale will always be 1. Y scale, that's a little trickier. I don't want to drink the Sprite. Rotation is gonna be this again. And then this is gonna be color or merge color. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. It might look fucking terrible. It probably will. We'll see. Well, it's gotta rebuild its whole texture groups now because I uploaded a new texture and it hates it when I do that. There we go. Okay, it crashed. It just crashed. Ah, it's not dist, it's Leng. Yep, I got that right everywhere except for there. No looky. No looky looky. We try again. Okay. It's not quite right, but you get the idea. Oh wait, no. I want like 0.1. This is not supposed to be the gems at all, no. I have not implemented the gems, putting the gems on anything yet, no. Okay. Why isn't it on the mark? Huh. Does this need to be after this? I do not understand. Go. Okay, no. Undo all that. It's looking very close to what I want it to look like, but I'm a little confused by this drag sprite not being centered properly. Could it be I'm a fool? That is 124. So let's try dividing it by 125. Okay. Let's try something a little bit differently. I put you in the very bottom center. What was when you let go? Nothing, you just let go. Or I might not understand your question. When it forces you to let go, you lose heat, and you make scuff mark. I guess I didn't. I think I did. I'll double check real quick. Now we wait. Okay. Yeah, it just let go. We good. Alright, so I can do that, so I think I'm just gonna have to do some extra little math here. That's gonna be... Let me double check. It's gonna be 18, I think. Y, and this length direction Y. Let's see how that works. Not quite. Try 180. Ooh. That's what it's supposed to look like. Yay. Oop, not that. Okay. Is there anything else I need to do for those? I don't think so. So I think next I'm gonna go through and test all the games again. Make sure everything's working right. Game mode 0. Let's try it out. This should be Big Hammer game. Yes. Good. Good. I'm just gonna change this real quick to max. Okay, and I did want to add something to that. So let's do that. I'll grab a little string of code from right here. Okay. There. I think that'll do it, maybe? I don't know. Oh, shit. Ah, I forgot the parentheses at the end. We try again. Okay. What do you mean? Ah, that would do it. Hey. The question is, do I want to do that? I think maybe I don't. I don't think I do. We're gonna immediately get rid of that line. Or I'll just comment it out in case I want to put it back in later. In case I change my mind. Okay. Camera's working. The problem is, we also need to add difficulty. How do I add difficulty to this? Oh, I know. I've been given real life work. Hold on. There we go. Alright. Real life work done. Thank you for being patient. Okay, what was I doing? I was increasing the difficulty. Okay. Bar H speed equals 1 divided by 80. There we go. And then okay. Theoretically, it should be faster now. The hammer should suck even more now. Yeah, that's a little annoying. Which is perfect. Ah, my knee! Fine. I think I might even do a little bit more. So that's good. Next, a small hammer. I'm not sure how I can make this one trickier. I'll just make the windows smaller, I think. I'll make it a little bigger when it's not a hard difficulty. So let's try that. Okay. Let's try that. Shit, I totally forgot to change the game mode. Change to 1. There we go. I think I can narrow that down just a tiny bit more, in fact. Game mode. Alright, that should be good. Let's change it to 2. Change that to 3. And change that to 2. And I know how I'm gonna make this one harder. Times 1 plus game dot difficulty times 5. Oh shit! That might be a little too hard. That's really hard. We're changing that to 3. Okay, maybe that's still a little bit too hard. Let's bring it down to 2.5. And I'll call that good. Now the tongs. Okay, let's try that. Oops, I forgot to change some more things. And game mode has to be 3. Here we go. Yeah, that's harder, but not impossible. Great. That's difficulty sorted then. Get rid of that. Alright, next I think I gotta fix the picking up of the tools because they are a little weird right now. I think that's all in here. Yep, it's all in here, baby. I guess it's just a matter of figuring out where exactly I want the tools to rest on the minigame page. Let me just get a print screen of it. And then go. I'll show you what I'm doing. We're here. So the idea is we got to figure out where we want all the tools to go. Okay, next I just need to trace this one. Does not have to be perfect. And the sky. Shit. Ah! Fuck it. Maximum efficiency. This is fine. Perfect. Okay, let's for my own sanity, fill in some of these blanks. There we go. It's good enough. So, where will each of these go? I feel like I want the hammer to be like right over here. And then what is this? A chisel? Which one is this? The little hammer? I feel like I want cloth to be like up here. And then what is this one? The little hammer? Maybe we put it right by the big hammer. And then we take the chisel over here? Oops. Then we take the tongs over here? I don't know what I want. Ugh! I do not know. Why is this like the hardest part? Figuring out where I want to put the stuff. Hold on. I'm almost thinking maybe I should resize the anvil a little bit. Because technically, only this area is playable in the minigame, right? Technically, this is the playable area in the minigame, so I feel like that should be bigger. So I think making the anvil bigger would be good. And then we just, we take these bits, and we, not that dark, but we darken them a little bit. Oh. Okay, that's not a bad idea. Hold on. So like over here, like poking out like this. Hmm. Yeah. What's the word? Could also, like, write the name of the tools on the handle? No, but then that would... Hmm. What if... What if it was just the hammers that are off screen? And we kept everything else on screen? Yeah, but there's gonna be another bar on the top. Heat bar kinda has to stay on the bottom. Unless I move it to the side, but then that's a whole lot of code I gotta rewrite. Okay, complete redraw. Let's try a complete redraw. Okay. So this is the playable area. Come on. This is the playable area. Here's the rest of the anvil. Right, there's the playable area. That's the quality bar. How good it is. There, anvil. On the bottom wouldn't be really enough room, so heat bar probably... Heat bar stays on the bottom. Then, this is where the finish button is gonna show up. This is gonna be the quality bar. So maybe, okay, that's not a bad idea, Caitlin. That's not a bad idea. What if it was like a big roll of cloth, and then if you click on it, it rolls out onto the anvil, and then you have your different shit. Right? You think? Yeah, it'd be one extra click to change tools rather than just having them available. Then the alternative would be just, get all this. Alternative would be going back to trying to do this. Like from the side. Fucking, how big is this shit? Okay, it's not that big actually. It's just that some of the things look weird when you do it like that. I don't know, if I change the handles to be just a little more unique, then it could just be... Yeah, not all of them need to be on the same side. But, Oh. Yeah, what if I made each handle unique and then they're all over here, and then if you like hover over one, it slides out so you can see like the whole thing, and then you can click it. Then it would be like this. Then this. And then the chisel. Tongs. And cloth can just be on the bottom like a little Cleveland. Maybe that would work best. Just having them all shoved on the side. I could even just have the rag hanging over on the other side. Since it's not really a part of a mini game, it's just an extra thing. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Let me undo a bunch of shit. Thank you. Okay. Hammer there. Oh. Then the little hammer. And then chisel, move there for now, so I can grab the tongs. I think tongs would be like this, actually. Grab the chisel. And then the cloth would be like up here. Or even so that the tools are like around the point of the anvil. Oops. Do it like this. Or not quite like that. Something like that, maybe? I think I like them better rotated, actually. But just like a little bit. Or maybe not even that much. This much? Oops. But also looks stupid. I see Caitlin sent me a drawing. Okay, okay. Let me just screenshot this one for reference, in case I decide that's the best idea I've come up with. Okay. So we have a hammer like that. We have a little hammer like that. Take the cloth, shove it down here. Where are my tools? Take the chisel, just put it right down there. Take tongs, stick them right up there. Maybe stick this guy up a little bit further. I don't know. I almost wonder if it is worth it to just move things around. Because here's an idea. Like, I think it was Caitlin said earlier, what if they were just all on the bottom? Got hammer. Got little hammer. I think this is the chisel. We got the tongs. So we got the cloth. And they'll just be on the bottom, and then if you hover over them, they pop up so you can see more of it. Yeah. Hover over, go up. Then clicky, you get it. And then that would just mean I'm gonna have to... It wouldn't be too much trouble to move this guy... up. Would be the worst to move it up. And then, we just do that. Where the fuck is it coming from? Destroy you. Yeah. I think maybe move down better. And then I can still put the finish button over here. Pretend that is a circle. Finish button here. And then I could put the quality bar on the side. I could put it on the side. Oh, like have the working part facing up. Yeah. Honestly, that might be the best option. Ugh. Okay. I'll have to move some stuff around a little bit, but I think that might be the plan. This might be planned. Ay, ay, ay. Now, the question is, first of all, how hard is it going to be to move the heat bar up? Those are tools. Scuff, hover, game parts, heat meter. Here we are. Oh god! Okay. Var HY equals 0. Press a color. That's rectangle. That's a rectangle again. Draw a circle, grab that. Y, grab that. Grab that Y. And grab that Y. Okay, and then we should be able to change this to some stupid value, like -800. And now, theoretically, I have moved the heat bar up. Thermometer, go up. It's up! It's, 2 up. But just by a little bit. If I do this, let's just bring it down 50 pixels. I think 50 would be good. It just works. Nudge it down a little bit. See what we get. Hey, that's not looking too bad. Now, I wanted to make the anvil bigger, too, so I think that's the next step. Draw anvil. Let's just, for now, literally size it, scale it up, and see if it works. The heat bar is styled after a mercury thermometer. Yeah, you'll be able to break it open and drink mercury. That's a lie. Don't get excited for that. That's not happening. Let's see what Anvil look like when I make scale big. Shake my head, no mercury drinking. Okay, Anvil bigger, not look bad. Okay, good. I think I could even do with making it a little bit bigger. Maybe not. Maybe I'll just move it. No, I won't move it. I cannot move it. Moving the anvil is out of the question. Completely out of the question. I'm gonna have to change other stuff if I'm making the anvil bigger, so someone remind me later to do that. Then I'll have to move the tools down and flip a couple of them. Otherwise, with that, we're on our way. The crafting minigame might be finished in just a few days now, which would be really good. I've had to basically rewrite it from scratch, and it's been terrible. Absolutely terrible. Well, anyways, I need to go to pick up my spouse from work and run errands. So you know what that means? It's time to raid you guys out. Let me put you in this screen. I am Speed. Alright. What do you guys think we raid a good old Scooty? Scooty loves to be raided. We're initiating the raid. Thank you, losers, for showing up to my stream. Make sure to let Scootish know that I'm doing a good job, so that he's proud of me. That's what it's all about. Thank you for coming. We'll probably be on again tomorrow, if not just later tonight, doing more coding garbage. Thank you for your help. I'm waiting to see if Scootish shows back up before I raid, because currently he is just gone. He has vanished. He's still vanished. I'm giving it till the end of the raid timer, then I'm just sending it. Someone needs to find Scootish. He's gone. Fuck it, we're just going over. I'm sending you over to Grandpa's house. Have fun. Bye-bye.